Hi, today in front of me Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should just open the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper and style. Here click to change wallpapers and now we can select our new wallpaper from the default for wallpapers on our device, for photos from our device gallery, or just another wallpapers. Also you can use the Galaxy thumbs just to use the online wallpapers. So let's use one from the default wallpapers. Just unselect home screen to set the wallpaper only to the lock screen. Click to next. So we can see the preview here. Click to the done on the right down upper corner and we will see that the changes applied successfully. So let's just check it and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So also we can make it by another way. Just hold for a while the home screen on your device and then on the left down corner you will see the wallpaper and style section. Tap on it and by the same way click to change wallpaper and select one from the wallpapers. For example, I'll use one from the download ones. Just select it, click to done, unselect home screen, click to done here, done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.